Good morning. Today is Sunday, March 13th. Car's been on the lift. Well, hasn't been started for at least a week. It's pretty cold outside. It's probably about 45 degrees in my garage. I didn't have the heat on. Took some pictures for some BAT members, put the safety wires on the spinners for the wheels, and took some pictures of some imperfections, and took a picture of the trunk that is the hinges properly attached. So, turn the key, fuel pump. There we go. Said the tach's not working, like I said. All other gauges work. Oil temperature's cold.